Has the handle in your GE dishwasher become loose? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to tighten it back up. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. Tools you may need for this repair: 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 inch Allen wrenches. The first thing to check on your loose handle are the two set screws located under each side of the handle. These set screws tighten against the two mounting studs located behind the handle. Use a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to tighten each screw so they're snug. Do not over-tighten or you can damage the screw or the handle. It's common for these set screws to become loose, so tightening these normally fixes the wiggly handle. If a set screw is missing, they are sold individually at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link below. If you snug up the set screws and your handle is still loose, next we'll remove the handle to check a couple other things. Use the 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen each set screw until the handle can slide off. Do not fully remove the set screws. Inspect the two mounting studs to ensure that they're not bent, damaged, or loose. If they are loose, use a 3/16 Allen wrench to make sure that each of the mounting studs is tight against the door. If they're damaged or bent, they should be replaced. The mounting stud screws into a mounting plate on the backside of the outer door panel. If the mounting plate is damaged or missing and you cannot screw the mounting stud into the door panel, the outer door panel will most likely need to be replaced. Check out our outer door panel replacement video for step-by-step instructions linked below. While the handle is removed, also inspect the holes on each end where it mounts to the studs to make sure that nothing is loose, cracked, or broken. The plastic bracket on each end that holds the metal mounting stud sleeve in place is secured with a 5/32 Allen screw. If that screw is loose, the mounting sleeve will wiggle and cause a loose handle. So tighten the screws on each bracket to ensure that they're snug. If any of these parts are broken or cannot be tightened, the entire handle will need to be replaced. With the studs and mounting brackets tightened, reinstall the door handle and tighten each of the set screws. Hopefully one of those steps fixes your handle wiggle, but if you need to buy a replacement part, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included links in the description below. Be sure to use the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact parts. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and remember, friends don't let friends buy aftermarket parts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.